In this video, I will show you a few ways to increase your Windows 11 performance, and these ways will be very effective to increase. But before this, subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. First step is to power and sleep setting. To do this, type in power and sleep setting and open it. And from there, scroll down and click on high performance and enable it. Second step is to disable startup programs. To do this, open Task Manager. And on Task Manager on the left side, click on Startup Programs and lots of programs will be enabled here. You should disable it to increase your performance. Third step is to disable notification. To do this, open Settings. In the settings, open the notification and from there simply off it, and this will be done. The fourth step is to remove unnecessary apps. To do this, again open setting and from there open apps, and from there click on installed apps. Lots of apps will be here that you have installed. If you find any app unnecessary, just uninstall it by clicking on the three dot display and from there click on the option uninstall. The fifth step is to defragment and optimize drive. To do this, type this and from there optimize every drive. The sixth step is to disable visual display. To do this, open advanced system setting by typing it on the search. In the advanced system setting, open the visual display setting and adjust for best performance and then simply apply it. The seventh step is to disable game mode. This is easy, just type game mode setting and disable it from there. If you are a Windows 10 user, then I have made 6 ways to speed up your Windows 10. So watch this to increase your Windows 10 performance. This was all. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos.